This is a motor that customer bought the boat to get the motor out of it so I could put it in his boat with froze, and he was told it stored in a climate control building and it's a great motor. We looked at that and said, that doesn't look good. And the manifold's cracked also. If you look inside of there, see on top of the lifters it's milky. So we started up and ran it. The oil was clean and clear when we started. The owner might have just changed it, but after we ran it, then you can see it's all hooked up and we just finished running it. That's what we drained out. That's way more liquid than came in that motor, so beware of any engine that grows oil. So this grew oil. It's got an internal crack in it somewhere, and so it wasn't such a great deal.